From milligrams of medicine to 40-ton semi-trucks on the highway, the world runs on weight. Your business transports goods, is powered by automated controls, or depends on weight to make a sale. To get business done right, we know you need a quality product from a brand you trust. At Rice Lake Weighing Systems, we operate our scale and weighing business on a foundation of defining principles. We continuously improve our processes to offer you quality products to help you get the job done. We employ a highly skilled group of people, and they are the driving force behind our success. At our core, we value our customers. Our motto is to take care of you above everything else. We started out as a small-scale service company in 1946, serving the Rice Lake, Wisconsin area. Since then, we've grown to become one of the largest international manufacturers of scales, measurement, and process control equipment, helping businesses like yours thrive in every industry across every corner of the globe. We understand businesses large and small. We take opportunities to pioneer advanced manufacturing processes and encourage our employees to become experts in their fields through training, research, and design innovation. We listen to our customers by revolutionizing weighing technology to meet your unique needs. Trust in Rice Lake, and let us be there for you.